How to use Uber's support services. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Uber application from your device and get logged into your Uber account. Once you have done that, tap onto Account on your bottom right and tap onto Help. Now here you will see all topics. Choose any topics that you need help with. Tap onto I need to contact support. Now type in the name on your account and type in your phone number. You can, if you have account and payment issues, toggle on this button. If you have thrift issues, toggle on this buttons as well. If not, you can simply type in the detail of your issue. Once done, tap on to submit. And now all you have to do is wait for Uber email to contact you back with a very personalized solution to your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.